PodLM AI is the new software that's been making waves in the AI space. If you're wondering whether it lives up to the hype or if it's just another AI tool that falls short, stick around because in this review, we'll cover the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into PodLM AI. And trust me, you'll want to know these points to make the most out of this brand new AI software. First off, PodLM AI is all about streamlining your workflow and helping you create high-quality audio content. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or podcaster, PodLM AI offers a powerful suite of tools that promise to save you time while improving your audio production. The software is designed to automate a lot of the mundane tasks that come with content creation, but does it actually deliver on that promise? Let's find out. The first standout feature of PodLM AI is its Quota voice-to-text transcription for Xiaolong tool. This feature is so accurate that it almost feels like you're speaking directly to the screen. It's not just about converting audio into text either. The transcription is rich with context, meaning it understands nuances and tone. This alone can save you hours of transcription time and ensure that your content is ready for editing in no time. Secondly, PodLM AI excels in audio editing. Unlike traditional editing software where you need to manually adjust and refine, PodLM AI uses AI to automatically clean up noise, enhance clarity, and balance sound levels. Whether you're recording in a noisy environment or you've got some inconsistent audio, PodLM AI can make your content sound like it was recorded in a professional studio, even if it wasn't. Another killer feature is speech enhancement. With the rise of podcasts and digital content, your audience demands high-quality sound. PodLM AI's speech enhancement tools are built to make your voice pop, bringing in a more natural and polished sound to your content. If you've ever struggled with balancing different voices or background noise in your recordings, this tool will be a game changer. Next, let's talk about Kame content recommendations. PodLM AI doesn't just leave you hanging once you've recorded your content. It analyzes your audio and offers intelligent suggestions on topics and content structure that will perform well with your target audience. This feature is especially valuable for marketers and content creators who want to optimize their content for engagement but aren't sure where to start. But what sets PodLM AI apart from other AI-driven audio tools is its integration with existing platforms. Whether you're using popular podcast platforms or audio management systems, PodLM AI syncs up seamlessly with your current tools, which makes it easy to incorporate without disrupting your workflow. You won't need to spend hours learning new systems, which is a huge time saver. And if you're concerned about learning curves or tech support, PodLM AI offers user-friendly features and top-notch support. The dashboard is clean, simple, and intuitive, so even those new to AI software can jump in without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, if you ever run into issues, the customer support team is available and responsive. Finally, PodLM AI offers a Lascaux completely free trial. If you're hesitant about committing without knowing whether the software is right for you, you can test it out for free by following the link in the description below. This is a great way to experiment with the features and see how well they integrate with your work before making any decisions. Now, you can probably see why PodLM AI is being hailed as one of the best just released AI tools on the market. It's packed with features that actually help streamline your process, and it's more than just a buzzword. If you're serious about content creation, marketing, or podcasting, PodLM AI could be a valuable addition to your toolkit. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've handpicked my recommended software in the description below, and PodLM AI is absolutely one to consider. Be sure to check out the link to try it for free and see how it can fit into your workflow. Let me know in the comments what you think of PodLM AI, and don't forget to check out my other AI software reviews for more insights into the tools you should be using.